The year is 2040. We don't wake up to sunlight anymore. We wake up to the universe. My home OS checks my vitals while I prep for the day. Health, 98%. Ready for anything. Our living spaces are no longer static. One touch and my wall becomes an Amazonian portal. Even the kitchen is smarter. Zero gravity storage and AI curated nutrition. Deep inside the vault, the servers manage the security of my digital empire. And at the center of it all, the quantum core, the power of a supercomputer in a single box. Work is done. Time to leave Earth. In 2040, the best gaming experience is out of this world. Architecture used to be about bricks and mortar. Now it's about pixels and peace. As the city glows below, I find my peace in the garden of light. Tomorrow is just a concept. Today is a vision. This is the future we built. Meet your personal house OS. It manages the climate, your schedule, and even your mood.
Good evening, sir.
2040 isn't just about where you live, it's about how you move. My autonomous cruiser is always ready on the sky deck. The city grid is fully synced. I don't drive, I navigate through data streams while the world glows below.
Would you live in this house? Join us at Tech Future to see what's next.